Okay, now we have with us Captain Viriato Fernandes, Member of Parliament, South Goa. Dev Bare Kuru, Captain. It's a very
हय
sad day. I know he was one of the closest friend for you. Uh, your first few words.
हय म्हाका दिसता great loss for Goa, great loss for his parishioners, and he was just not Father Bolmax, a priest, environmentalist, but म्हाका दिसता he was an institution by himself. आणि खूप जाणांक खबर आसचें ना that few months back he was appointed as the chairman of
There is a slight technical glitch, but we will try to connect to Captain again. There is a slight because he's traveling somewhere. Sorry, तुमचे disconnect झाले. You are saying he was also appointed on a committee, and there we lost your connection.
Yeah, he was chairman of All India Biodiversity for all the diocese. He was guiding all the churches how to across India how to save environment, how to preserve environment, how to preserve biodiversity. That means असलो ताणें एक impact केल्लो, a mark that he was working towards it. He had prepared a paper which was supposed to be, I think, so presented in Brazil, the convention which was supposed to happen. आणि गोंयांत आमी बसतले when he used to simple about mangrove, तो मँग्रोवाचो बॉटॅनिकल नाव सांगतालो that this is may get extinct. आणि खंय गेलो तो ती आमची झाडपालां आसा, हर्बल प्लांट्स आसा, ते एका एकाचें नांव काडटालो, हें आमी सेव करपाक जाय. So he lived life to the fullest. There was, I think so, if God could have given a few more years, but then Father Bolmax was never enough. He was never enough. He was there for म्हाका एक पर्सनल लॉस जाल्ले आसा. म्हाका ताणें गायड केला. सो it's a loss.
Yeah, so I
And
think
the
during your
only way we
election
can
time
pay
also he
tribute.
was guiding you. He was with you. He was guiding you whenever you wanted to ask something. You used to go and approach him. Is it right? Because we have heard that you had a close bond with Father Balmix that time.
No, not exactly. I should go him for that एक elder, though he was younger to me, but एक भाव कसो जो he would give me that strength. So if I don't pray for you. So these are his words. This he would always say, I will pray for you. Binaka, tuka choose kela. You have to fight this battle for Goa. So uh, he was there always. That's why I said a friend, a mentor, a guide. And even when got me elected, sent me to parliament, आम्ही खूपशी बिलां मांडलेलीं आसा. हांव ताजो एडवायस घेतालें. बिल हें हय म्हणटालो when he used to study, yes, this is required म्हणटालो. It's all in the interest of the society, interest of environment. So and he was an inspiration to the youth. You know, today where the youth generally uh, have difficulty in finding guide. एक बापूय कसो सगल्यांचो. आनी आमी चिकले पळयलां कशें सगल्या लोकांक आवय भुरग्यांकूच न्ही आवय बापायक पासून कशें ताणें मोटिवेट केल्लें, कशें ही मेड देम लूक एट लायफ पॉझिटिव्हली. So, and cutting across communities, religious lines, he was a friend to everybody.
One
So,
tribute that Goa can give to Father Balmix. What can we do that it would be the greatest tribute to Father Balmix?
to carry the legacy, huge legacy what he has left behind. We, each one of us, it's a responsibility to carry that legacy of Father Bolmax forward. And that legacy will be to save Goa from destruction. That will be the biggest tribute to Father Bolmax.
Okay, thank you very much, Captain, for joining us.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
think you are traveling somewhere,
Thank
but
you.
still you made time.
I'm coming back to Goa. I was in a defense committee. So moderator ashile when I got the news that he is been admitted not doing well. So kal sakkai fude Goya Paulo came to GMC, saw him, and afternoon I had to return back to join the parliamentary committee. But Jenna Makakodu Naile, so I'm rushing back. I've informed the chairman of the parliamentary committee. I'm returning back to Goa. So I'm on my way to the airport.
Okay, so we'll see you in Goa, Captain. So
Yes, yes, yes.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।